Hey everyone, Joe here, and I've been asked a lot lately, what are some ways to stay inspired and creative, especially at a time like this when we don't necessarily have a lot of places to physically go to? So I thought this would be the perfect time to recommend one of my all-time favorite apps, Adobe Capture. I'm going to be doing a mini series going over all of the powerful tools within this app, from being able to create your own brushes, your own textures, and even materials for Adobe Dimension. But today I'm going to be showing you how to create instant, beautiful, natural color palettes in your own backyard, proving that you don't have to go far from home to keep creative. So let's get started. With Adobe Capture open and the Colors tab selected, you can see that all these little color pickers are dancing around my screen trying to find a harmonious color palette. Then, once I have found one, all you have to do is take a picture. Then it instantly freezes and you're going to open up this next tab. Here you get a breakdown of every single color, their hex codes, you can change them a little bit here, and you also get the choice of having RGB or CMYK. In the Harmonies tab, you also get a chance to look at all the colors and edit them here. I've turned down the colors a little bit so you can see they get a little bit darker, and that way this image also changes a bit too. You can see they've pulled the darker colors in the image. And then now, once you're all ready, you just have to hit save. And once I have typed out the word pineapple properly, make sure that you also have publish color themes selected. So that way, when you open up Adobe Illustrator, now your theme is all ready to go and you can use it for your next project. But overall, have fun with this. See how many different colors you can collect, all the different versions. Also, a pro tip is every time I use this in my freelance work, I always make sure that anytime a client gives me a reference photo, especially at the beginning of the design process, I always add it to my camera roll and then upload it to my Adobe Capture. That way I can get the exact colors that they're wanting, and at the end, in the final presentation, I always make sure to screenshot this and then add it to the presentation. That way they see I use their exact recommendations and they always feel like their ideas are being heard and taken into consideration. So if you found this helpful, please keep an eye out for more tutorials. Like I said, this will be a mini series, and tag me in anything that you make. I love seeing what you guys create. So thanks for watching and keep creating.